Mama Mary, Mama Mary, Mama Mary of Fatima, help me, pray for me, and my daughters and my son, and all the people I care. Please help me. Whisper it to your son. Whisper it to Papa Jesus, Mama Mary, please. All my heart desires, my prayers, and everything, Lord. Mama Mary of Fatima, help me. Help me survive through these trials that I'm facing with my kids. I am a single mom now since, I know that it's really impossible to be, the perfect family for my kids, but I'm trying to do my best as a mom, as a single mom. I'm trying my best to just strive and live day by day, Mama Mary. Please whisper my prayers, and all my love and desires will be happening. Please, thank you, Mama Mary. In the name of the Father, the Son, the Holy Spirit. Time to go down. Guys, be with me. Time to go home because, I don't want my kids to wake up without me there. Whew. And of course, guys, this is like a sunrise mountain trekking. I don't really do the trekking there in the grassy part because, my shoes just got broken because I think because of the moist and the humid in my room, and this is what happened. See, the other one doesn't have any too big, but this is really original from Bahrain. This is Adidas, but still maybe because of the humid from my bedroom, so that it always happened anyway to all of my shoes, even though it was both from Italy, from all over those countries I've been performing. But after being stuck without any air conditioning, my shoes became like this. I expected it already. So yeah, that even though without this, it's still, it's still okay because this is original. So yeah, I'm here, going back home now. And I'm sure this kind of walking of mine will make me tired. But I will still be active for the whole day because I am a mother of two hyper kids that needs my supervision and attention every day. So I'm here trying to bring you to my steps going down there. I hope the cow is not there anymore, That cow is the reason why my shoes is broken, guys. Because I had to run because I remember what my grandma told me. Oh wow, I love this. This is beautiful, guys. I really like this. This is beautiful. But I think they need to do like this because it's really blocking our way. So yeah, this is the way there. I hope the cow is not there anymore, because if it's still there, I have to run again, guys. And guys, I have no data. That means I don't have, if only I have data and only we have a good network here, I could have just do the live stream. But I can't because, the network here, the signal, the telco network, the signal network is very hard to find here in our area. That's also one of our problems. That's why we had no choice but just to depend on the both internet, both Wi-Fi internet that is a little bit pricey because it is a private Wi-Fi that he just tried to you know to spread all over our small village of Oy. So, but we don't have network, we don't have signal. We only depend on that Wi-Fi that he provided for us. If we will pay, you can choose like monthly or prepaid. That's what I'm using. Sometimes I don't do online for like 5 days or 1 week. It's because I have to save, because sometimes I feel like I have no more budget to do to recharge the internet. That's why you cannot see me always being online, guys. If maybe I can just be daily active in YouTube, maybe I was already monetized, but it's okay. I am trying to be patient, because the only thing we can do here in this world is to be patient when we are really determined to do something, to achieve something. This is really nice, guys. I remember what my grandma told me. Do you know what's this? This is dew, right? Dew. My grandma always wants me to touch this, yeah, and put it in my face, because my grandma said this will make you younger. I should always do this every morning. But it's very rare. It's very rare to find a morning dew, because we don't really wake up anymore so early. So yeah, I'm happy that I have this chance now. Hmm, hmm. Yes, see some more here. This is like precious. This is luxury for me, guys. Because guys, I don't really use anything to my face. Never. I only use like uh, facial wash, and also the face cream that I used to really like use for a long time since I started performing, and that's only pants. But like doing all those skin repealing or whatever, I don't do that, because I know I am aware of the side effects. I want to just I want to show my face like very very real. I want to just enjoy my real beauty, and I want to age gracefully without trying to cover or hiding from those chemical products. So yeah, the only reason why I wore makeup all the time those past years, because of my persona, that I used to do some gothic shows, gothic rock songs, especially from Evanescence, Avril Lavigne, like something like that, alternative ones. That's why I had to do some makeup for my trademark, Ella Shakira Rock Chic. But now I try to avoid it, because I'm just here at home mostly. So here, here, here. So yes, guys, when you have like this, be sure that you got also this dew from a very like this kind of surrounding. Is very healthy and very not polluted, because if you also get this from the city, expect that it will also create a lot of damage to your skin cells, because this morning dew is just good if you are surrounded with fresh and nature's, very untouched natures. So yeah, you have to put that also in your list, how to stay younger using morning dew. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed my simple bags. Now we are on the way to go home, go back to my place, and I think I have enough already for this morning dew. So I can get like this near to my house, actually just outside to my house. But I try to avoid it because my house is just next to the road. That cemented road was already completed last 2024. So that's why do uh, I don't really do the morning dew catching anymore near to my home, because I'm aware that my house is already also near to the road and prone to some pollution. So here it's okay because we are surrounded by a lot of rice fields and surrounded with a lot of all of this kind of, you know, grassy land and everything. So yeah, that's it. So I can assure that it is also fresh and it is healthy, guys. My God, I am already low bat, guys. So I will just try to keep it the video. Well, just keep it running so I can show you how many minutes going back home. So as what I told you in my previous videos before this one, I used to do fetching of water to that house there, over that house in the next house. From also our relative, their grandmother and my grandmother was a sister. So I do all this kind of fetching of water every early morning and every sunset after my school. And this house belongs to Ate Ay Gonzaga, Manang Nani Gonzaga. I used to always do a sleepover here before when I had to finish my basket waving. That was maybe around 1993, 1994, when I'm still in elementary. Because Ate Ay is like my childhood friend. And I always do sleepover in their house also to finish my basket. You know, the basket weaving, basket handicrafts is famous here in our village. And that's what I remember, that I grew up with those basket weaving, so our people here in village can survive and can buy food. But now it's very rare. I think not all people, no more people doing that anymore now, to do the basket weaving. Maybe because mostly also of their kids are already grown up now, and they are also already now professional degree holders, and their lives already also like it's like that after maybe decades, and their life also already have a progress, and that's why not all anymore remember how to do the basket weaving, guys. And this land belongs to my mother. This is where I was born. That house belongs to my brother. Hoy! 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 Psst! Psst! So yeah, that's the house of my eldest brother. And before, the house of my mother is just there. This house belonged to the sister of my grandfather. Very old house. Because Gloria Panto and Luis Panto is siblings. So yeah, this is really my village. When I was a little child, I used to always pass by every day here. And also during my high school years, I always pass by this rocky. Actually, this was a very small road. During my elementary days, it was just like this. And there's no gravel. There's no gravel at the time. It's just pure muddy small road. And that's where I remember I grew up in this area. And I finished my high school education in this village because we have our own high school there. So I used to do my 2 years education in high school in the city, but then I still came back here to finish my high school because I wanted to graduate here. That's the house of my grandparents, Luis and Candelaria, Aquilina Pantu. That's the house of my grandparents. It's still there, but nobody lives anymore. And it's just really a lot of complication within the siblings or whatever. I don't want to talk anymore, but yeah, because my mother also is the heir of that place, this land. So the land that I'm stepping now is also belongs to my grandparents. So yes, guys. I showed you my that one, the Fatima. So remember I was there in that mountain there? I was there at the mountain. I just tried to go across this way, and I told you if I was just like wearing a good